Okay, we're going to do some more work with markups and discounts. Okay, so here's how you're going to do this. You have a $300 item. Now, I'm just warning you. These are in word form, sentence form, but you're doing the same thing you're doing here. Okay, same thing. So an item costs $300. It's marked up 20%, then it's reduced 15%. So what I do is I kind of split the problem into two parts. So I got $300. Now the first percent is up, so I add. I need to find a money amount to add. So what I do is I find 20% of $300. Now remember, we have to divide the 20 by 100. And that's 0.2, okay? Okay, and then of means I multiply. So 0.2 times 300. And I got 60. So I add those two together. So that's $360, okay? Now take your 360 and start the problem over. Now reduce. Reduce means minus, okay, a money amount. And we got to find 15%, but this time it's 15% of 360 because now it's at 360. So I divide 15 by 100, and that's 0.15. And then I multiply. So 0.15 times 360. And I get 54. So I take 360 minus 54, and that's 306. That's your final answer. Okay, the next problem, there's 2%. So the item costs $699.99. Now the first one says up, so plus. And we need to find 30% of $699.99. So I divide 30 by 100, be 0.3. And of means we multiply. So I take 0.3 times 699.99, and I get 209.997. Now, here's what this happens here. 99 cents can't go up, okay? That just goes up to 210. So it's 210. So I take 699.99 plus 210, and that gives me 909.99. Now I take the 909.99, and my second percentage is up, so that's another adding. I got to find 10% of 909.99. Okay, so we divide the 10 by 100, 0.1. And then I times, so 0.1 times 909.99. That's $90, and again, 99 has nowhere to go, so that 90 goes to 91. Okay, so I take 909.99 plus 91. Okay, that's $1,099. Okay, my next item costs $700, and discount means minus, okay? 25%, so I find 25% of 700. So I divide 25 by 100, 0.25. And then I times by 700, 0.25 times 700. So that's $175. So I'm going to subtract $175 from the price. So 700 minus 175 is $525. Now I take the $525 over here, and it's marked down, so that's going to be another minus, okay, by 10%. So 10% of the 525. So I divide 10 by 100, 0.1, and then means I multiply. So 0.1 times 525. I got 52.5, so it's $52.50. Okay, so 525 minus 52.50, and that's 472.5. So $472.50. Okay, example 4. Item costs $500. It's discounted, so that'll be minus a money amount. Now to find what the money amount is, we have to find 40% of $500. So we divide 40 by 100, 0.4. And then we times by 500. So 0.4 times 500 is 200. So 500 minus 200 is 300. So now my new price is $300, and then we reduce it again. So reduce means minus, and we have to find 30% of $300. So 30 divided by 100 is 0.3. Then we times. So 0.3 times 300 is 90. Okay, so 300 minus 90 is 210. Okay, 75.69. Discounted, so minus a money amount, okay? And I need to find 20% of 75.69. So I divide my 20 by 100, 0.2, and then we multiply. So 0.2 times 75.69, and I got $15, and that would go up to 14 cents because there's an 8 there, so the 13 goes up 1. So 15.14. So 75.69 minus 15.14 is $60.55. Okay, now I bring that over. And then marked up, so that will be adding. And 15% of 60.55. 15 divided by 100 is 0.15. Then times 60.55. So 0.15 times 60.55 is $9.08. And then we add. So 60.55 plus 9.08 is 69.63. Okay, next one. Item 64.99. And it's up 15. So up would be add. Okay. And we got to find 15% of 64.99. So I divide 15 by 100, 0.15. And then I multiply. 0.15 times 64.99 is $9.75. So 64.99 plus 9.75 is $74.74. Now take that over here. And then marked up, so I would add again, and I'd take 35% of the 7474. Okay, so I divide 35 by 100, 0.35, and of means times. 0.35 times 7474, $26.16. 74.74 plus 26.16 is $100.90. Okay, now on the next ones, okay? Okay, so I look for words up 60 and discount, okay? So I start at 120. And then up 60 means adding. So I have to find 60% of $120. $0.6. Okay, and then times 0.6 times 120 is 72. So add, you get 192. Okay, now you bring your 192 over here, and then that's a discount, so that's minus. And you need to find 10% of 192. Okay, so I divide 10 by 100, 0.1. And then times 192. 0.1 times 192 is 19.2. So that'd be $19.20 that I subtract. So 192 minus 19.20, and I get $172.80. Okay, and then you have the rest. Pay attention to what words. Discount, reduced, discount, marked up, mark up, okay? Up means add, reduced, and discount means minus.